sparkle for the development very often comes from our customers, sometimes in a very explicit way with a request of customization or development of a material with certain properties. In other occasions, implicit way, we can get the input from knowing, understanding the needs of our customers, deriving from the relationship that we have with them, so that we can take inputs and make developments even before they ask these developments to us. We have the strength of our team being really global and being able to support customers globally, but also to enrich our knowledge with inputs deriving from different cultures and knowing markets in different areas.